in the era of weird wealth, where renting out your backyard, flipping junk, and yes, selling feet pics are totally normal income streams. It might sound funny, but for people who want low effort cash with no boss, no meetings, and full privacy, this trend is actually working. So let's talk about how your feet could start working for you. Let's just be real, okay? If you've been scrolling through TikTok, you've probably seen weird wealth trending. Everyone's flipping couches, selling Pokemon cards, or making cash from AI art. But the weirdest one of all might just be the one actually paying people fast. Feet pics. Yep, I said it. And no, this isn't clickbait or a scam. People are getting paid real money for real feet. We live in a time where people are monetizing literally everything. Your closet, your opinions, your digital art, and now your toes. FeetFinder is a legit platform that lets people sell pictures and videos of their feet. Clean, themed, cozy socks, beachy, spa style. It's weird wealth. But it's working. This isn't just a trend. It's a booming niche, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. Google search traffic for feet content has absolutely exploded. Why? Because there's a demand, and platforms like FeetFinder are meeting that demand by connecting buyers with everyday people. You don't have to be famous or even show your face. Now, let's just bust some myths. First, buyers aren't all weirdos. Many are collectors, artists, stylists, or just fans of clean content. It's a marketplace, not a free-for-all, okay? Second, FeetFinder is built for safety. You get full anonymity, your face never has to be in any photos, your real name doesn't appear, and you even control who can see your profile by country. And payment is processed securely through SegPay, just like any other major online service. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, this can't actually be real, go check it out. People are covering bills, affording extras, and building soft life goals just by using a part of themselves they were already walking on. FeetFinder is beginner-friendly, flexible, and private. You set the pace. Post once a week? Cool. Go all in and build a brand? Also cool. Look, your fee already gets you through life. Why not let them earn while they're at it? This is weird wealth, low effort, low pressure, and totally in your control. FeetFinder.com is giving curious creators a safe, creative, and oddly effective way to make money online. It's discreet, flexible, and made for people who want options without burnout. Welcome to the side hustle era your 9 to 5 never saw coming. Subscribe to the channel for more smart, realistic ways to earn and start your own journey at FeetFinder.com. See you there!